Hello students, welcome back to maths class. In today's class, let us continue exercise number 2.1. The question is based on law of exponent. Okay children, so now before starting this problem, let us record all the laws of exponent now. Okay, let us write it on the board now. So just say here, which is the first law of exponent? That is a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. When the bases are same, a is the base, right? When the bases are same, then powers you have to add in the case of multiplication. Second case, a to the power m divided by a to the power n. When the bases are same, powers you have to subtract. When children, when there is a division mark in the middle. Is it okay? Bases are same, division mark is there, powers will be the different. Bases are same, powers different. In powers you have to subtract in the case of division. Got it? So then, third law, a to the power m whole to the power n. On one base, two powers are there. Means how to write a to the power m into n or mn. Okay. So then fourth law, a into b whole to the power m is equal to. So when bases are different, powers will be the same. That time a to the power m into b to the power m. Powers you have to apply for both. When the bases are different, powers are same. That case, this is fourth law we have to use. Next law we will use is a by b whole to the power m. A by b whole to the power m is equal to a to the power m by b to the power m. So when bases are different, powers same, then apply the powers like this. When you make out bases are different, division is there, means you have to use the last formula. One more thing you have to recall, that is a to the power minus m. When power is negative, then how to do it positive? You have to write a to the power 1 by a to the power m. 1 by a to the power m. M will become positive. Okay, so then if it is a to the power 0, anything to the power 0 is always 1. Any bigger number in that matter, its power 0 there means full answer is only 1 there. Okay children. So then a to the power 1 there means a 1 time exists. 3 to the power 1 means 3. 4 to the power 1 means 4. 10 to the power 1 means 10. A to the power 1 means 8. Correct? No. So these are the things you have to recall. So that it will be very useful in solving the next problems. Now see here how to solve this problem. So evaluate question number 1. 8 to the power minus 1 into 5 to the power 3 by 2 to the power minus 4. If you see this case, any of the terms are same children. Even the base is not same and the powers not same. Then how can I use laws of exponent here? See, bases are not same. Even powers are not same. Then how to solve this children? What you have to do means, any of the base, you have to bring it same. How can I do this means 8. 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. You already learned cube. Yes, the children. 2 how many times? 3 times. So 2 multiplied with 3 times means what gets answer? 8. That's why cube and cube root are very important children. Okay children. So here 2 multiplied how many times? 3 times is nothing but 8. That means 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3. Okay? 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. That means 2 cube. In the place of 8 can be written 2 cube. Can I write children? Yes. So here 2 to the power 3. 8 place only I have written 2 to the power 3. Its power what is there? Minus 1, right? As it is. What is? 8 can be written as 2 cube. All to the power 1 as it is. Into 5 is a prime number. I cannot get by this method. So 5 write 5 as it is. then 2 write 2 to the power minus 4 as it is. Okay, so there is a prime number, so you cannot simplify that once again, so you have to retain it as it is. Now see here, somebody can say children 2 here, even here also 2. Yes, so now see how to solve this next. See, when a to the power m whole to the power n, two powers are there, one base is there, means what you have to do? Powers you have to multiply. In the sense, a to the power m whole to the power n can be written as a to the power m into n, mn. Okay, so same method here also children. 2 to the power 3 ones are 3 sin minus 3 into 5 to the power 3, right, as it is. Then 2 to the power negative is there is, you can write as it is. Okay, so now children, somebody came saying children, who is that means 2 and 2 bases are same. This is called division mark. When the bases are same, middle sign is division, then which law can I use here to solve this? I can use the second law. Second law can also be written like this or not, children. A to the power m by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. This you learned in 7th standard. Yes, no, here is that are written like this, but it can also be written like this. A to the power m by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. When the powers bases are same, powers you have to subtract in the case of division. Yes, is there a division in this children? Bases are same, powers you can subtract. Can I do like this now? See, base write as it is once. Okay, powers who m place who is there minus 3, minus place minus, n place who is there minus 4. So 2 and 2 write as it is 2, m write minus 3 as it is, middle sign is minus, denominator again minus 4. So like this, see children, minus 3 minus of minus 4. When the bases are same, powers you have to subtract. When subtracting, you should be very careful. Why? Because both are negative here. Even middle sign is also negative. So you should be very careful. Okay, children? Into this same became this, which is remaining there 5 to the power 3. Now, everybody understood? When the bases are same, powers you have to subtract. Minus 3 minus of minus 4. The law, second law we use here. Got it? Second law. So then 2 to the power minus 3, right? Minus into minus plus 4 into 5 to the power 3, right? As it is. Now, who is remaining here? 2 to the power 1 plus 1 minus. So subtract. 4 minus 3 is 1. Bigger number sign plus. So then here 5 how many times? 5 3 times. Okay, so now all came as a positive power. Yes, then 2 to the power of 1 is how much children? A to the power of 1 is a means, what is 2 to the power of 1 means 2. Okay, 5 how many times it is? 3 times. 5 5 is 25. 25 5 is 125. So 5 5 is 25. 25 5 is 125. Say and write. So 125 into 2. 125 into 2 is how much? 250. So what is the final answer? 250. Okay, so we all understood. See children, how many methods involved? Why? Because no bases same here, no powers same here. In that case, see here, 8 can also be written as 2 to the power 3. 8 can also be written as 2 to the power 3. Whole to the power minus 1 into 5 to the power 3 by 2 to the power minus 4. Now this and 2 and this 2 came same means any of the laws we can use it. Okay, so now here 2 to the power 3 ones are 3 minus 3 into 5 to the power 3 by 2 to the power 4 as it is, minus 4 as it is. Now this and this same base means powers can subtract. Okay, when a to the power m by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n means minus 3 minus of minus 4 into 5 to the power 3. See, this came up and down was there, came once by using the formula. Okay, so thereafter write 2 as it is, minus 3 write as it is, minus into minus plus 4 into 5 to the power 3. So it can be written as 2 to the power 4 minus 3, 1. 5 to the power 3 right as it is. Next, to the power 1 is 2. 5 to the power 3 is 125. So multiplied means how much comes? 250 comes. Hope you all understood this. Okay, children. So now let us move to next problem. Okay, let us move to next problem. Write the second problem in this. That is 5 to the power minus 1 into 2 to the power minus 1. Okay, into 6 to the power minus 1. Like this case is there is what to do. See here, all are having negative powers. Yes, no, all are having negative powers. How can I do it positive, children? Negative power, there is calculation is difficult, right? So how to bring it positive power? 5 to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 5. We agree? 1 by 5 to the power 1. What power is there should write as a positive power. Negative power goes. Then here 1 by 2 to the power 1. Yes, into bracket close. Okay, bracket close. Then 6 to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 6. See, everybody will get positive power. Okay, so now what you can do here? 1 by 5 to the power of 1 is 5. 5 to the power of 1 is 5. Which law you use, children? A to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m. Yes? So a to the power 1 is a. 5 to the power of 1 is 5. Okay? Into 1 by 2 to the power of 1 is 2. Into 1 by 6 to the power of 1 is 6. Now multiply. 1 ones are 1. 5 twos are 10. Into 1 by 6 outside. So first bracket solve. Okay? So 1 ones are 1. 5 twos are 10. Into 1 by 6 right as it is. Now again multiply. 1 ones are 1. 10 6 are 16. So the final answer is 1 by 16. Evaluate means you have to find the value of that. Okay, hope you all understood. Now let us move to next problem, children. Okay, so you write down fifth main. Okay, fifth main. Find the value of m. Find the value of m for which 5 to the power m divided by 5 to the power minus 3 is equal to 5 to the power 5. Okay, so right here 5 to the power m divided by 5 to the power minus 3 is equal to 5 to the power 5. Okay, children? So now see here, this is a different type of question, but we can use the laws here. Okay, so 5 to the power m divided by 5 to the power minus 3 is equal to 5 to the power 5. Now, which law type you can see here? Bases are same. Powers can be subtract. When the bases are same, powers can be subtract. Yes, now which law can be used? Second law. So you can write there a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. So when the bases are same, powers you have to subtract. Same method here also we follow. Base right ones. Power subtract. Power subtract in the sense power is m. Middle sign is minus. Second number is also minus. So like this stage children, be careful when minus is there. M 5 to the power m minus of minus 3. A to the power m by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n means m is m only here. Minus is minus, n is minus 3 is equal to 5 to the power 5. Now plus 3 is equal to 5 to the power 5. The question is given like this. Okay, you use now second law of exponent. Now what happens here? I have to find the value of m. Finding the value of m means here base is 5, here base is 5. Yes, no? Is equal to sign is there, middle means both the bases are equal means children, you have to understand, when the bases are equal, then powers also equal. This case is little different, means bases are equal. 5 is equal to 5 or not? 5 in mind only cancel, bases also equal, like this. 5 cancel, m plus 3 is equal to 5 means you can write. Okay children, so everybody understand here, 5 to the power 3 is equal to, okay, 5 to the power 3x means there is missing. Okay, when the bases are same, base will get the cancel in mind. Who is remaining? 3 is equal to 3x. Okay, then I want x means what? 3 by 3 is equal to x. 3 1 x value is 1 means you can find out. So you have to understand, equal sign that side and equal sign this side. Bases are same means in mind only cancel. Powers write as these. In the sense m plus 3 is equal to 5 means you have to write. So that you can find the value of m. So m is equal to how much children? M is equal to 5 plus 3 going that side minus 3. So m is equal to 5 minus 3 is how much? 2. So the final answer is m value is 2. So just put here 2 plus 3 is how much? 5 or not children. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 means we can understand. So that is the final answer. Hope you all understood. Yes? Now let us move to next problem. Sixth one. See here. What you are trying? Evaluate. Okay. So first one, 1 by 3 whole to the power minus 1 minus 1 by 4 whole to the power minus 1 bracket minus 1. Okay. So now can I do this problem? See here. 1 by 3 whole to the power minus 1 minus 1 by 4 whole to the power minus 1. Again, outside the bracket also, whole minus 1. Don't get tension children. You know already, when the power is negative, how to do it positive? I already said, what is that? A to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m. Okay, so now here see, it is in the form of fraction. So fraction means very easily we can write. Negative power goes very easily. How can I do it children? Just reciprocal here. Okay, 1 by 3 there means 3 by 1 do children. 1 by 3. 1 by 3 there means negative. You do 3 by 1. 3 by 1 will become positive. Simple. Okay, so that 3 by 1 is 3. 3 to the power 1 means we can write. Can you make out? So children here what you have to do? 1 by 3 can be written as 3 by 1. 3 by 1 is how much? 3 by 1 is 3. 3 to the power 1. See, negative power went very easy. So 3 to the power 1. 1 by 3 will become 3 by 1. 3 by 1 is 3. 3 to the power 1. So then minus 1 by 4 is 4 by 1. 4 by 1 is how much? 4. Negative power goes, positive power comes. Then what can I do? Outside 1 minus 1 is there, right? As it is, okay? As it is. Now what happens? 3 to the power of 1 is 3. 4 to the power of 1 is 4. You already know. 8 to the power of 0 is, 8 to the power of 1 is 8. 3 to the power of 1 is 3. 4 to the power of 1 is 4. Yes? Whole to the power of minus 1. Outside 1 minus 1 is there, right? As it is. Now 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 is how much? Minus 1, right? Whole to the power minus 1. Again here power is negative. Base may be negative but power cannot be negative. How can I write this one as a positive quantity? 1 by minus 1 whole to the power 1. This minus 1 whole to the power 1 take down. Numerator will become 1. Got it children? So 1 by minus 1 to the power 1. See, negative power went there, positive power came. Now calculate 1 by minus 1 one time. Minus 1 one time is minus 1 itself. Yes? Then 1 by minus 1 is 1. 1 by 1 is what? Sign is minus. Minus 1 is the final answer. Hope you all understood. Okay? So like this we have to complete the problem. So now let us move to next problem. Second main. 5 by 8 whole to the power minus 7 into 8 by 5 whole to the power minus 4. See children. Yes, in this case, just case is different. See there, even the bases, this is 5 by 8, even this is 8 by 5, they are the bases. Powers are minus 7, minus 4. Even anyone is same in this, bases are not same. Powers also not same. What is the problem is this? So bases are not same, powers are not same. So then, see children, can I make bases same here? It is 5 by 8. This is 8 by 5. Can I do this also 5 by 8? Yes? Can do? No. How can I do this? Just see children, 5 by 8. Keep as it is. Whole to the power minus 7. Okay. Into negative power means what I said. I can do reciprocal or not? I can do reciprocal. So 8 by 5 will become 5 by 8. Can I write like this? See? 5 by 8. Whole to the power 4. Minus 4 went. Positive power came. That time some changes should take place. No, takes place. So now changes should take place. Okay. So it is becoming 5 by 8. Whole to the power 4. Now see children, one I didn't change, one I changed according to that. Yes, no? A to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m type by 2. It's reciprocal I did. So what is the reciprocal of 8 by 5? 5 by 8. Powers become positive. Yes? Now bases came same or not? Bases came same. A to the power m into b to the power m. Sorry. A to the power m into a to the power n. A to the power m. Then what is the formula children? Bases came same means bases came same means first formula is there. Bases same means a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. When the bases are same, powers different means powers you have to add. So bases are same. 5 by 8, 5 by 8. Powers you have to add. Powers you have to add. Let us add the power children. 5 by 8 right as it is. 5 by 8 right as it is. A is that. M plus n is m is 2 minus 7 plus n who 4. Okay. What's the next step? 5 by 8 right as it is. Then 1 minus 1 plus you have to subtract. 7 minus 4 is 3. Bigger number sign is minus. Yes, children? Minus 7 plus 4. That is becoming minus 3. Will you agree, children? So now, what's the next step? What's the next step? How can I do it? This is negative again. Powers negative came. Can I do it positive? By writing 8 by 5 whole to the power 3. Can I write like that? Yes, can I write like that, children? Now, see, everything came positive. Now, negative power went, positive power came. So then, can I evaluate, can get the value of this? What is the value of this? You know, value of this is 8. How many times? 3 times. 8 into 8 into 8. 5. How many times? 3 times. 5 into 5 into 5. So nobody is getting cancelled. So multiply. 8 8s are 64. 64 into 8. 8 cube is how much? Already learnt, you know. 8 cube is 512. So cube number here also comes. See, 8 cube is 512. 5 cube is 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. So what is the final answer? 512 divided by 125. Hope you all understood. See what step I followed here. 5 by 8 and 8 by 5. The bases can become same. Yes. So what I did? One I retained as it is. Second one I made reciprocal. Okay. Okay, children. You can do my first one reciprocal. Second one can retain as it is. Any method you can follow. So 5 by 8. 4. Power 4 become. Now bases came same. Bases came same. Powers you have to add. Add the power. Bases right as it is. Power became minus 7 plus 4. Minus 7 plus 4 is minus 3. When negative power there means calculation is difficult. So what you have to do? Positive means just reciprocal. 5 by 8 will become again 8 by 5. All to the power 3. 8. How many times can I repeat the 3 times? 5 how many times? 3 times. For 8 write 5 times. 3 times means 8 repeated 3 times means what is the answer? 512. 5 repeat 3 times means what is the answer? 125. Got it? That is the final answer. Hope you all understood. Now let us move to next subject. Okay. Right. 7th one. Simplify. (25) into t to the power minus 4. Okay. Then 5 to the power minus 3 into 10 into t to the power minus 8. So when t is not equal to 0, t cannot be 0 itself. T should not be 0 itself. Okay, 0 means difficult to calculate. So then see here children, what can you do here? How to solve this? This is coming for 3 marks. Got it? So little lengthy problem, but you have to understand it properly. Okay, see children, 25 and t to the power minus 4, 5 to the power minus 3, 10 into t to the power minus 8. Here who is same loop for you? T to the power minus 4, t to the power minus 8. One is in numerator, one is in denominator. So they are same, right? Somebody else can do same. Whom I can do same, children? See here, 25 can be written as, 25 is a bigger number. How can I write 25? 5 into 5. Do you agree? 5 is a 25. That means 5 square is 25. Which can I write? Okay, base should become small, you know. So 5 square is 25. Then t to the power minus 4. Okay, sorry, minus 4. 5 to the power minus 3. First simplify, do it small. 10 there means how can I write 10 children? 10 can be written as 2 into 5. Yes, it's not a square number, so we write 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10. Then t to the power minus 8. Okay, so I change now 25 as 5 square and 10 as 2 into 5. So somebody comes to same now. Can you make out numerator as well as denominator? Somebody comes to same. Do you agree? Yes? Now, who is looking same here? 5. Numerator. 5 and 5 is in the denominator. So, the 5 first solve. Okay, children. So, I can write 5 to the power 2 times up. Here, 5 3 times. Into 5, how many times here? 1 time. Yes, when the bases are same, can you make out and write together? Okay? Into 5 to the power 1. Write together. So 5 square up, 5 minus 3 times into 5 to the power 1. Then t to the power minus 4 by t to the power minus 8. Separately I will write so that you can understand. 1 by 2 is in the denominator means denominator 2. Numerator nobody means 1 here. Right? Okay children. So now see that this became separate. Can you make out? 5 2 times, 5 3 times, 5 together, t 4 times, t minus 8 times together. 2 is separate, no partners at all. As it is, you write 1 by 2. Got it? So now next step, what can we do here, children? How can you do? See here, 5 to the power 2, right, as it is. Now 5, when the bases are same, powers you have to add. Bases are same, into sign is the powers you have to add. In the sense, a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Means what you do? 5 to the power minus 3 plus 1. Bases are different, any number of times you write in. Once write down, powers you have to add, minus 3 plus 1. Got it? So next step, here, t to the power minus 4, t to the power minus 8. Second law can be used when the bases are same, powers you have to subtract. Second law, got it? So a to the power m by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. In the sense, t to the power minus 4, t to the power minus 4, middle sign is m is minus 4, middle sign is minus, n is also minus, so minus of minus 8 into half cannot do anything as it is you write. Okay? So the next step now, 5 to the power 2 by 5 to the power minus 3 plus 1, minus 2, right? So 5 to the power of 2, write as it is here. Denominator 5 to the power of minus 3 plus 1, minus 2 into t to the power minus 4, write as it is. Yes, minus into minus plus 8. Minus into minus plus 8 into half, right, as it is. Into half, right, as it is. Now, again, which law type it is there, children? A to the power m by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. When the bases are same, powers you have to subtract. So 5 to the power 2. Middle sign is minus. N is also minus. This is m, this is n. Minus of minus 2 into t to the power 1 plus 1 minus. You have to subtract, right? 8 minus 4 is 4. Bigger number sign is plus. Into half, right as it is. Now 5 to the power 2, right as it is. Minus into minus plus 2. Okay, into t to the power 4 into half, right as it is. Now the next step. 5, how many times it is? 4 times. Okay, t 4 times into half. It can also be written like this, children. 5 4 times means what? 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5 is 25. 25 5 is 125. 125 5 is 625. So what is the answer? 625 into t to the power 4. 625 t to the power of 4 ones. T to the power 4 by using the denominator 2, right, as it is. So this is the final answer. So 625 t to the power 4. Understood? By 2. Like this we have to understand this problem. Okay, children, if you can't understand, go through the video again and again. So this is a 3-mark question. Hope you all understood. Okay, so that's all about this exercise. Okay, let us do some more problems in the next exercise.